Doubts resolved. This video has been prepared for educational purposes only. No part of it may be reproduced or copied without the permission of the copyright holder.
Hello students, welcome to S. Chand Academy, official YouTube channel of S. Chand Publishing. The book JEE Mains and Advance for IIT-JEE by ML Khanna sir and videos by me Subuh Nadeem. In the last class we did logarithms. Today we are going to do miscellaneous equations, 6th chapter. So if we talk about the theory part, there is not much theory part in differential equations. All different type of theories which are randomly used here and there in equations and inequations are being used in miscellaneous equations, which you learn with problem solving. So we won't be doing any such theory as it is, but 1-2 points I will tell you. Like if we have mod of x is less than equal to a, this implies that x belongs to minus a to a. And if mod of x is greater than equal to a, then x is greater than equal to a or x is less than equal to minus a. Similarly, this can also be written as x square is less than equal to a square. These two are identical things. Similarly, this can be written as x square greater than equal to a square. So these are the meaning basically, and many other equations like logarithmic equations, quadratic equations, cubic equations we will come across in problem solving. So let us directly come to problem solving, students. The first question says solve the following equation for real root. Now as you see in this equation, there is log which has been used, and we have already done logarithmic equations, logarithm chapter. So we can use some of the concepts of it, and basically 5 to the power log of x to the base 10 is equal to 50 minus x to the power log 5 to the base 10. This is what we have to solve here. Now there is a rule of log that a to the power log of x to the base b is equal to x to the power log of a to the base b. How can we prove it? There is no much difficulty in proving it. If we take log to the base b both the sides, so log base b a to the power log x to the base b, log base b x to the power log a to the base b, and this will go in the coefficient as it in the power of the product. So log of x to the base b into log of a to the base b. Here it will also go into the product log of a to the base b into log of x to the base b. So we can see that the left hand side and right hand side are actually same thing. So which is true, which implies that this is a correct formula. So by using this we can say that this is x to the power 5 to the power log of x to the base 10 is equal to 50 minus, here 5 and x will interchange, 5 to the power log x to the base 10. Now let us take this term and this term on the same side. So it will become 2 times, 2 into 5 to the power log of x to the base 10 is equal to 50. Now in the next step, 5 to the power log of x to the base 10 is equal to 50 upon 2, which is 25, which is 5 square. Now if we see the base is same in both the LHS and in the RHS. So it will become log of x to the base 10 is equal to 2, which will give you x is equal to 10 square, which is equal to 100. Let us also see the original equation. This original equation will not be undefined any of its term by putting x is equal to 100. So this is the correct answer. Generally we do this when we get the answer, we put it in the original equation and we see whether log or something s root over or something is undefined or not. So by putting x, this will be log 100 to the base 10, this will be 100 to the power log 5 to the base 10, everything is defined. So this is our answer. Let us come to the next question here. Solve the following equation for real root. Log ax to the base a into log ax to the base x is equal to log 1 by a to the base a square. where a, which is the base, is greater than 0 and not equal to 1. That is the condition for log, as we studied. So this will become log a to the base a plus log x to the base a, and this will become log a to the base x plus log x to the base x. On the right hand side, this will become 1 by 2 log to the base a, because a square is there, so its power will go into the denominator outside. 1 by a, that is a to the power minus 1, so minus will go into the multiplication. So this will become 1 plus log of x to the base a into, this is log a to the base x plus 1. This is minus 1 by 2, as log a to the base a is 1. In the next step, 1 plus log x to the base a into this, you can, by changing the reciprocal formula, log x to the base a can come into the denominator, because in the numerator it is log a to the base x plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Let us multiply them. So 1 plus log x to the base a plus 1 by log x to the base a, then when they will multiply, it will get cancelled, and plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So this will become log x to the base a plus 1 by log x to the base a plus 2 plus half. So that will become 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is equal to 0. Now let us do further calculations. Let us take LCM. So this will be log x to the base a into whole square into 2. 2 log x to the base a whole square, and this will become 5 log x to the base a plus 5 log x to the base a, and what else, we will get plus 2 is equal to 0. So in the next step, you can take 2 log x to the base a plus 1 into log x to the base a plus 2, as the middle term is splitting. You can just multiply and check 2 log x to the base a whole square plus 4 log x to the base a plus log x to the base a, that will be 5 log x to the base a plus 2 equal to 0. From here you will get log x to the base a is equal to minus half or minus 2, which means x is a to the power minus 1 by 2 or a to the power minus 2, and since a is positive and not equal to 1, x is also going to be positive exponent value. So both the answers are correct answers. So we will say that both of these are the correct answers. Next question, the number of real roots of the equation, this is 4. Is this correct or not? Let us see. Another part says the sum of all the real roots of the equation is, find the answer. So for A, so if we want to solve this, so mod of x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac, that is 48 upon 2a, that is the quadratic formula. This will become 7 plus minus 1 by 2, that is 4 comma 3. So x is equal to plus minus 4 comma plus minus 3. So the number of real roots of the equation is 4, which is correct. 4 minus 4, 3 minus 3. So this is correct. Next, the sum of all the real roots of this equation. So here also it is quadratic in mod of x minus 2. So mod of x minus 2 quadratic equations we have studied. It is minus 1 plus minus root over b square minus 4ac. So this will become 8 by 2a. So this will be minus 1 plus minus 3 by 2. This will give you minus 2 and 1. Now mod of a value is not negative. So minus 2 you cannot take. You can't take minus 2. You can of course take 1. So mod of x minus 2 equal to 1 is okay. So x minus 2 in that case will be plus minus 1. So x is equal to 3 comma 1. So these are the two values. So sum of all the real roots of the equation is 3 plus 1, 4. So you will say The sum of the real roots is 4. Next question. This is a question which came in IIT also. For points P is equal to x1, y1 and Q is equal to x2, y2 of the coordinate plane, a new distance PQ is defined by dPQ, which is given as mod of x1 minus x2 plus mod of y1 minus y2. So this is a new type of distance. This is not the distance which we usually defined as root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So let O, which is the origin, is 0, 0 and A 3, 2. Prove that the set of points in the first quadrant which are equidistant with respect to the new distance is this one. This is how we are defining the new distance, not the old distance or the distance which we usually study by Pythagoras theorem. That was from O and A consists of the union of a line segment of finite length and infinite ray. Sketch this set in a labeled diagram. So when we find it equidistant, so let that point be alpha beta. So OP and OA are same, equidistant. So alpha minus 0 mod plus beta minus 0 mod is equal to alpha minus 3 mod plus beta minus 2 mod. This is how we will define it. This implies alpha mod plus beta mod is equal to alpha minus 3 mod plus beta minus 2 mod. Now here it is already given that we have to find it in the first quadrant, right? So in the first quadrant alpha beta are positive, alpha is also positive and beta is also positive. So mod of alpha will be alpha, mod of beta will be beta. So this will be simply alpha plus beta is equal to mod of alpha minus 3 plus mod of beta minus 3. Now here alpha minus 3 and beta minus 3, they are in mod. So we will have different conditions. For example, case number 1, if alpha is less than 3 and beta is also less than 3, what will happen? Alpha plus beta is equal to 3 minus alpha plus 3 minus beta. Sorry, it is not 3, it is 2. Second one is 2, first one is 3. It is 2, right? So this will become 2 alpha plus 2 beta is equal to 5, or alpha plus beta is equal to 5 upon 2. Okay, fine. Alpha less than 3, beta less than 2. Second case, alpha less than 3, beta greater than 2. So if alpha is less than 3, this will become 3 minus alpha, alpha plus beta is equal to 3 minus alpha, plus mod of beta minus 2 will become plus beta minus 2. So when you will solve them, beta is getting cancelled and you will get 2 alpha is equal to 1, alpha is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Third case, alpha is greater than 3, beta is less than 2. So what you get here is alpha plus beta is equal to mod of alpha minus 3. That will become, if alpha is greater than 3, it will become alpha minus 3, and another will become plus 2 minus beta. So when you will solve them, 1 alpha will get cancelled and 2 beta is equal to minus 1, or you can say that beta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Third case would be when alpha is greater than 3 and beta is also greater than 2. So alpha plus beta is equal to alpha minus 3 plus beta minus 2. Beta and alpha will cancel from both the sides and you will get 0 is equal to minus 5, which is not possible. So this fourth condition won't give you any equation. Now of all the equations which we have formed, let us draw the diagram. So when we draw the diagram, how will we get it? This is the x and y axis, and alpha beta can be considered as x and y. This becomes x plus y is equal to 5 by 2. And what are the conditions? X less than 3, y less than 2. And similarly other conditions are there. So let us draw two lines. One is x is equal to 3 and one is y is equal to 2, and this is the origin. Now, when x less than 3, y greater than 2, which region is that? This region. There the line is x plus y is equal to 5 by 2. The line would be something like this. X less than 3, y greater than 2. Yeah, this portion is there. And x plus y is equal to 5 by 2. That becomes a line like this, right? So this is a ray originating like this. What about alpha less than 3, beta greater than 2? Alpha less than 3, beta greater than 2. There beta was smaller than 2. Oh, sorry. In the first case, we have beta less than 2, no? So I have wrongly written as y greater than 2. It is y less than 2. So y is less than 2. In that case, the graph would be something like this. Like this. This is 2.5 intercept on x-axis, and this when we will proceed, it will be also 2.5 intercept on the y-axis. And next, if alpha less than 3, beta greater than 2. So when alpha is less than 3 and beta is greater than 2, x is less than 3 and y is greater than 2. We have alpha is equal to half. So this line like this. And when alpha greater than 3, beta is less than 2. Alpha greater than 3, beta less than 2, beta is minus half. But this minus half we can't take because it is not in the first quadrant. So we cannot consider this, not in first quadrant. And the fourth case was already not accepted because 0 is equal to minus 5 is not possible. So finally what we have got, this blue colored line is actually union of a finite length of line segment from A to B. It is a finite length of line segment and an infinite ray. This B onwards, this L ray is an infinite ray. So this is how we can plot this. I hope you have understood it. Try to do it now on your own and you will be able to solve it easily. Next question is x to the power 4 plus 8 by 9 x square plus 1 is equal to 3x cube plus 3x. So this is the question is x to the power 4 plus 8 by 9 x square plus 1 is equal to 3x cube plus 3x. So how can you solve this question now? If you want to solve this question, what you will do, you will just first take the LCM, 9x to the power 4 and plus 8x square plus 9 is equal to 27x cube plus 27x. Now let us take on one side 9x to the power 4 minus 27x cube. This is a biquadratic, plus 8x square minus 27x plus 9 equal to 0. Now let us consider these three terms. First of all, you can take x square as common and you can inside take 9x square and 27x cube. So I will write it as minus 24x minus 3x. Why am I doing this? Because by middle term is splitting, 24 into 3 is 72 and 9 into 8 is also 72 plus 8. This I am taking on this side as common, 9 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So this will become x square, and after middle term is splitting, what you will get here is 3x minus 8 into 3x minus 1 like this. So on opening, 9x square minus 24x minus 3x plus 8. minus 9, 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So, this will become 3x minus 1 into x square into 3x minus 8 minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, let us do it further. So, 3x minus 1 is one term, and what else is there? 3x cube minus 8x square, 3x cube minus 8x square minus 9 is equal to 0. Now, this is a cubic. From biquadratic, we have factorized it into linear and a cubic. Now, we have to factorize this cubic also. So, what we will do? 3x minus 1, and let us take this as 3x cube minus 9x square plus x square, and then minus 3x plus 3x on our own minus 9 equal to 0. So, this will be 3x minus 1, and here when you take common 3x square, this will be x minus 3. Here again you will take x common, so x minus 3. Here you will take 3 common, so x minus 3 is equal to 0. So, this will become 3x minus 1 into x minus 3 into 3x square plus x plus 3 is equal to 0, right. Now, linear quadratic. So, this quadratic has discriminant less than 0, minus 47 basically. So, basically when you want to solve this one, you won't get any real solution, but whatever solution you are getting, let us write that only. So, from here x is equal to 1 by 3, and from here minus 1 plus minus root over b square, that is 1, minus 4ac, that is 4, 3, 12, 3, 36. So, 1 minus 36 is minus 35 upon 2a, that is 6. So, these are the 4 solutions, 2 real solutions and 2 imaginary solutions. Okay. Evaluate square root of 6 plus square root of 6 plus square root of 6, so on till infinity. So, let us take it as x is equal to square root of 6 plus square root of 6 plus square root of 6, so on. So, we can write this as square root of 6 plus x, because if you take one term outside from infinity, the remaining term is also infinity. So, it does not affect it. So, x is equal to root over 6 plus x, this whole thing is still x. This is actually x square is equal to x plus 6. So, this will become x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So, this will become x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. So, this will give you x into x minus 3 plus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. From here you will get x minus 3 common, into x plus 2 is equal to 0. So, the value of x is 3 and minus 2, but this value is not negative, as outside there is no minus sign, there is a plus sign, a square root, plus a square root. So, x is equal to minus 2 is an extraneous solution which has come after squaring this. Sometimes there would be an extraneous solution which will come during the solution of a equation, and that is called extraneous solution, because that is an extra solution, and it comes because you have either done a squaring or something because of which extra solution has created. So, till here there was no problem, but after there you have squared, and when you have squared, even if a negative number is there, after squaring it becomes positive. So, minus 2 may be the solution of this one, but not the solution of this one. So, original equation does not have minus 2 as its solution, 3 as its solution. So, you will say this is equal to 3, which is our answer. Find the positive solutions of the system of equations x to the power x plus y is equal to y to the power n and y to the power x plus y is equal to x to the power 2n into y to the power n. So, when you try to do this question, what you will do? You have to be very cautious how you are approaching this. So, you will just multiply them. When you will multiply them, left hand side will be x to the power x plus y into y to the power x plus y, and on the right hand side y to the power n into x to the power 2n into y to the power n. So, this will become x into y to the power x plus y, and on the right hand side x to the power 2n into y to the power 2n, which is actually x into y to the power 2n. Now, you see the left hand side and you see the right hand side. The base is same. So, index, which is power, will be equal. So, this implies x plus y, which is this one, is equal to 2n. This is the first equation. Now, let us use this one in any one of them. Let us use it in the second one, in second equation. So, y to the power x plus y is y to the power 2n, and x to the power 2n into y to the power n. So, y to the power n, let us leave as it is, and from here we can say y to the power n in the denominator. So, it will become finally y to the power n is equal to x to the power 2n. So, y is equal to x square if we remove the index n from both the sides. So, this is another equation which has come. Now, y is equal to x square I am using in the first one. This is the first one. When I will use in the first equation y is equal to x square, what will happen? This will be x to the power x plus x square, and on the right hand side y to the power n is there. So, x to the power 2n, y square, y is x square, right. So, this will, after equating the base, the power index will be same, x square plus x minus 2n is equal to 0. This will give you x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now, here find the positive solutions, that is x is positive and y is positive. If you take plus sign, then it is okay, it is a positive solution, but if you take minus sign, it will be a negative solution, and you do not have to take negative solution. So, the value which is acceptable is x is equal to minus 1 plus root over 1 plus 8n upon 2. This is acceptable. And further, if you want to find y, let us just see here, y is equal to x square. So, square of this will become 1 plus 1 plus 8n plus not plus minus 2 root over 1 plus 8n upon 4. So, now when we calculate it, 2 plus 8n will become 1 plus 4n minus root over 1 plus 8n upon 2. So, this is the value of y, right. So, you will say that the solution is actually x is this one and y is this one. This is the positive solution of this system of equations. Now, let us come to this. Solve the following equation. 2xy minus 4x plus y is equal to 17. 3yz plus y minus 6z is equal to 52. 6xz plus 3z plus 2x is equal to 29. So, you see this is the equation of xy, this is yz, this is zx. So, what we will do, leave this equation number 1 as it is and let us solve these two equations. How will we solve these two equations? We will try to eliminate z. So, from this second one, what we will do, we will say 3yz plus y minus 6z is equal to 52. So, this will become z into 3y minus 6 is equal to 52 minus y. So, this will give you z is equal to 52 minus y upon 3y minus 6. Now, this z I am going to put into this third equation. So, what will happen? 6x 52 minus y upon 3y minus 6 plus 3z, that is 52 minus y upon 3y minus 6 into plus 2x is equal to 29. Now, let us simplify this. So, what have we done? We have eliminated z from this second and third equation, and after that this is an equation which is in x and y. Now, simplify this. So, 3 2 times is 6, this will be 2x 52 minus y. Here also 3 will cancel, this will be 52 minus y upon y minus 2. Here also it will be y minus 2, and on taking LCM this will become 2x into y minus 2 is equal to 29 into y minus 2. Now, let us multiply. So, 104x from here minus 2xy plus 52 minus y plus 2xy minus 4x minus 29y plus 58 is equal to 0. So, this will become 104x minus 4x, that will be 100x, okay. And what about y? Minus y from here, minus 29y from here, minus 30y. xy minus 2xy from here plus 2xy from here, it will get cancelled. Constant 52 plus 58, that will be 110 is equal to 0. So, on simplifying further, we can divide by 10. So, this will become 10x minus 3y plus 11 is equal to 0. From here, now we can express y in terms of x. So, this will become y is equal to 10x plus 11 upon 3. So, these system of equations are generally different, varieties are very different. You have to see each and every type of problem, and it may be possible that question may not come only on the equations, it may come from any one of the chapters, and there is an involvement of solution of equations. So, most chances are there that these are used as tools instead of as a standalone question. So, please like, subscribe and share the channel, and also hit the bell notification if you want to receive further notifications about videos. Now, here y is this thing. Now, from the first one we put y. So, this will become 2x, y is 10x plus 11 by 3 minus 4x plus y, that is 10x plus 11 by 3 is equal to 17. Now, when you take the LCM, what will happen? It will become 20x square plus 22x minus 12x after taking LCM plus 10x plus 11, 51, this will go here, minus 51 equal to 0. So, it will become 20x square, 22x minus 12x is 10x, 10x plus 10x is 20x. And then what is about the constant? 11 minus 51 is there, which is minus 40 is equal to 0. So, this will give you x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Now, let us solve this one. Quadratic it is. X is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac will be 9 upon 2a. So, this will become 3 minus 1 2 by 2 1, and minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. So, x is equal to 1 and minus 2. Now, when you know x, you can get y also. So, what will be y? Be fluent in giving the answer now. X is equal to 1, you put it here, this will become 21 by 3, that is 7, right. Minus 2 when you will put, minus 20 plus 11, minus 3 finally. And what about z? So, the z from here it will come. When you take y as 7, 52 minus 7 is 45, and here 7 into 3, 21 minus 6 is 15. So, this will become 3, and if you take minus 3, so this will become 55 in the numerator, and minus 15, minus 9 minus 6 minus 15, and in the numerator it was 55. So, 55 by minus 15, that will be 11 by 3, minus 11 by 3. So, you can say that the set of solutions are 1, 7, 3 and minus 2, minus 3, minus 11 by 3. So, this is how we will solve such equations. Now, let us come to the next question here. If x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 and x square by a plus y square by b square, no, it is b, it is wrongly typed b square, is equal to ab by a plus b, then prove that x to the power n plus 1 by a plus y to the power n plus 1 by b is ab by a plus b to the power n. So, this is what we have to prove. We have been given x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 and x square by a plus y square by b is equal to ab by a plus b, and we have to show that this is what xy satisfies for any n. So, n obviously is a natural number here. So, basically let us solve these two equations and find x and y. So, how will we do this? Again, from here let us take y, which will become 1 minus x by a. So, a minus x by a into b, this is y, and when you put it here, x square by a plus y square is, when you put here, one b will get cancelled, another b will remain, a minus x whole square upon a square is equal to ab by a plus b. So, this will become x square into a plus b a square plus b x square minus 2 abx is equal to a cube b by a plus b. Now, a x square plus b x square is a plus b x square. Here it is minus 2 abx, and this b a square I am taking on the right hand side. So, it will become a cube b minus a cube b after taking LCM minus a square b square upon a plus b. So, a cube b will cancel, and in the next step we have a plus b, and from here a plus b will multiply. So, a plus b whole square x square minus 2ab a plus bx and then plus a square b square is equal to 0. From here we get the value of x is equal to 2ab a plus b plus minus root over b square. So, 4a square b square into a plus b whole square minus 4ac will be minus 4a square b square a plus b whole square, same term, upon 2a plus b whole square. So, it is coming out to be 2 cancel, so AB by A plus B. This is the value of x. And what is y? So let us see from here y. So when we take y, it will be equal to a minus x when we take the LCM. So a square minus ab plus ab will cancel. So a square ab by a plus b, y will be also be same. Y will also be the same value. The reason, one more reason was that here there are real and equal roots. So both x and y are equal. Now let us see whether they satisfy this equation. So when we see this, we put in the left hand side x to the power n plus 1. So this will be 1 by a to the power n plus 1, b to the power n plus 1 upon a plus b to the power n plus 1, and one more is y to the power n plus 1 by b. So 1 by b, a to the power n plus 1, b to the power n plus 1 by a plus b to the power n plus 1. On taking 1a cancelled here, 1b cancelled here. So a to the power n, b to the power n is taken common, a plus b will remain upon a plus b to the power n plus 1. Now 1a plus b will cancel, so a to the power n, b to the power n by a plus b to the power n. So is this the RHS? Yes, this is the RHS. So it is fine. Let us come to the next equation here. Solve the following equations. Y cube minus 9x square plus 27x minus 27 is equal to 0. Z cube minus 9y square plus 27y minus 27 is equal to 0. X cube minus 9z square plus 27z minus 27 is equal to 0. Now this is a very important question. Be alert to see each and every steps here. Be concentrated here. So first of all, what we will do, we will add all of these equations. And when we will add all of these equations, so suppose x cube minus 9x square plus 27x minus 27, this will become a formula of x minus 3 whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus a minus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square. Similarly, plus y minus 3 cube plus z minus 3 cube. This will be equal to 0. So one trivial solution which is here is 3 comma 3 comma 3. But our solution is not over here. We can't just say that 3 comma 3 comma 3 is its answer, only answer. Yes, 3 comma 3 is its answer, because this will become 0, this will become 0, this will become 0, and the sum of the equations will be get satisfied. But is this the only solution? So that we have to see. So what we will do now, in the next step, this is y cube, first one is equal to 9x square minus 27x plus 27. Now just see this. This has a discriminant which is b square minus 4 into 9 into 27, and you cannot just multiply them just as it is. You can see and analyze that this is going to be less than 0. Discriminant of this right hand side quadratic expression is less than 0. Then in that case, this curve will always be above the x-axis. That means it will give you positive value. So you will say that y cube is also always positive. So whatever is the solution, y naught cube is always going to be positive. Similarly, from second you have to say that z naught cube is also positive and x naught cube is also positive, which means y naught, z naught, x naught all are positive values. Now if all are positive values, further what we will do, just see. So in the next step, I will take this y cube minus 27 minus 9x square plus 27x is equal to 0. And I will write it as a cube minus b cube formula, which is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So, this will become 3y, and this I am taking on the right hand side. So, this will become, after taking common, 3x minus 9, or you can take 9 common here. So, instead of taking 3 common, you can take 9 common. So, x minus 3. Now, if y naught x naught is a solution, so y naught x naught is a solution. Since we know y naught square plus 3y naught plus 9 is always going to be positive, discriminant is positive, this is always greater than positive, and x naught we have already shown is positive. So, y naught minus 3 and x naught minus 3 should have the same sign. Y naught minus 3 and x naught minus 3 have same sign. Similarly, if you take second equation, from there x naught 3 and z naught minus 3 will be same sign, then z naught minus 3 and y naught minus 3 will have same sign. So, this implies that x naught minus 3, y naught minus 3, z naught minus 3 have same sign. So, if all of them have the same sign, so either all of them are positive or all of them are negative. Now, if you see the main equation which we have obtained from here, if you take all of them as positive, this cannot be equal to 0. Similarly, if you take all of them as negative, then also this cannot become to 0. So, the only option is you have to take all of them as 0. That means x naught 3, y naught 3, z naught 3. So, this is the solution. It is a good question. The solution set of the equation log 3 minus x to the base 2 plus log 1 minus x to the base 2 equal to 3 is. So, from here we will take log of 3 minus x into 1 minus x to the base 2 is equal to 3. So, this will become 3 minus 3x minus x 4x plus x square is equal to 2 to the power 3, that is 8. So, this will become x square plus 4x plus 5 x square minus 4x, sorry. This will become x square minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. To the middle term splitting, you will get x minus 5 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. From there, x is equal to 5 and minus 1. Again, both are coming as the solution, but is both the solution of the equation? No, both are not the solution, because the original equation have log 3 minus x and log 1 minus x. So, inside the log, the value should be positive, but 3 minus x will be negative if x is 5. Similarly, 1 minus x will also be negative. So, no way of taking 5 as the solution. Minus 1 can be taken because this will also be positive and this will also be positive. So, you have to see the domain also, because when you have eliminated log and applied exponential, you have eliminated the condition of log, but the condition of log was already there. So, in the original equation, you have to check whether it satisfies or not, though it is satisfying the further equation after eliminating log. So, x equal to 5 is not the solution, x is equal to minus 1 is the solution. Minus 1 is not posing any problem. The equation mod of 2x minus x square minus 3 is equal to 1 has how many number of solutions? So, this will become x square minus 2x plus 3, let us absorb minus sign, and eliminate mod, this will become plus minus 1. So, x square minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. From here, x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, and from here x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Both of these are having discriminant negative. That means there are no real solutions. So, if it is asked how many solution, so it has no solution, because what they mean is real solution here. If we talk about imaginary solution, obviously there are 4 solution total, some imaginary, some real, but they are talking about real solutions. The value of x which satisfies yz is equal to a square, zx is equal to b square, xy is equal to c square r. So again it is a similar type of question which we have done little while ago, that was little lengthy, this is not that much lengthy. From these two equations, let us first eliminate z. How will we do it? We will divide them. When we will divide these two equations, z will divide it. So y by x is equal to a square by b square. Now from here you can write y is equal to a square by b square x. Okay. Now let us use this in this one. So what you will get? X into a square by b square x is equal to c square. So this will become a square x square is equal to c square b square. So this will give you x is equal to cb by a with plus minus sign. So cb by a is option number C. So this is your answer, right? So students, these were the questions. Please practice more and more questions to get a great grasp over the subject. Thank you.